Well, Milwaukee Common Council had its first hearing for the Ice Out legislative package, with dozens of pieces of legislation expected in the next month, reportedly aimed at keeping people safe.
Monse Ricosa live from City Hall with more on the decision from the council. Monse.
That's right. The Steering and Rules Committee unanimously approved this afternoon the piece of legislation saying that immigration enforcement, civil immigration enforcement, cannot take place on city property. At Monday's Steering and Rules Committee, alders pointed to immigration enforcement in Minneapolis as a motivation to make sure the city of Milwaukee is prepared in case something similar were to surge here.
We cannot do everything, but we are going to do everything we can to keep our folks safe.
The resolution states, quote, that no city-owned or controlled parking lot, ramp, vacant lot, park, or garage shall be used for civil immigration enforcement actions.
We also have a responsibility to make sure that what we adopt is both legally sound and operationally achievable.
The city attorney was at the meeting, available to answer questions about the legality of the resolution. The sponsor, Alderperson Jocasa Samarripa, says she worked closely with the attorney, making changes so it's enforceable.
We're simply saying any immigration enforcement activities cannot occur on these properties, and that is legal and enforceable, and it's true.
It now goes to the full Common Council on Tuesday, March 24th. Just last month, the Milwaukee County Board adopted a measure also aimed at regulating how immigration officers could operate in the county. It requires law enforcement agencies to get a permit before they can use Milwaukee County parks as a staging area, or they would face a fine of up to $5,000. Milwaukee Common Council last week approved its first two pieces of legislation for the Ice Out Milwaukee package, stating that the city of Milwaukee stands against ICE and asks for the Milwaukee Police Department to be on the side of residents over federal immigration agents. Now we expect more legislation to be coming up in the next month. From City Hall, I'm Monse Ricosa. Back to you.